if you're facing no sound out of the speakers of your Oppo phone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, first of all, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Now, if your Oppo phone is on vibrate or silent, just select Ring. And after that, just scroll down and tap on Do Not Disturb. Now, if Do Not Disturb mode is enabled on your Oppo phone, just turn it off. And after that, just go back and increase the volume from the volume bars over here. Just like that. Now, after you have increased the volume from the volume bars, then for the next step, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Now, in the control center, just look for the option of Bluetooth. And if it is turned on, just tap on it and turn it off. Because sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your Oppo phone, your smartphone might automatically connect to an external speaker or to your Bluetooth headphones, and that is why sound might not be coming out of your smartphone speakers. So make sure you turn off Bluetooth and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to your home screen. And after that, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. Now just swipe down and select power off. Now just wait for a few seconds until your Oppo phone is completely powered off. And once your Oppo phone is completely powered off, then just press and hold the power button. And once you see the Oppo logo on the screen, just press and hold the volume down button until you enter into safe mode. Just like that. Just press and hold the power button. And once you see the Oppo logo on the screen, just release the power button and press and hold the volume down button until you enter into safe mode. Now as you can see, we have successfully entered into safe mode. Now just swipe up and go to the home screen. Now under safe mode, all the third-party apps on your phone will be disabled. So if you have noticed that your speakers started working when you entered safe mode, then this means that the third-party app on your phone is causing this problem. Now to fix this issue, just reboot your Oppo phone. To turn off safe mode, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time and select restart. Now just wait for your Oppo phone to restart. After your phone finishes restarting, then just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. And from here, just tap and hold on any app which you have installed recently and select uninstall. Tap on uninstall and delete any app which you have installed recently because it might be causing this issue. And also look for any suspicious app which you do not remember that you have downloaded. Just tap on uninstall and uninstall all the third-party apps and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on System and Update. Tap on Backup and Reset, and select Reset Phone. Now from here, just select Reset All Settings. Then tap on Reset to reset all the settings of your Oppo phone. Now by doing that, you will not delete any data of your Oppo phone. You will just reset all the settings of your smartphone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with the speakers of your Oppo phone. Just take your smartphone to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix no sound problem on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.